Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be looking at another product from Lexivon. This is a brand that I've mentioned a couple times in my Amazon tool deal videos that I release on Fridays. So I decided to pick up a couple items just to share them with you guys. So the first item I reviewed was their speed collar extension. This is great if you have off-road wheels, drag wheels, or any deep offset, deep dish wheels. This is really nice because you can throw your impact socket on here. You can use it as a normal 10-inch extension, but it has this collar here that allows you to hold onto the extension. It just gives you more control over the tool. So really nice little item there. It's 20 bucks. So today we're looking at the Lexivon Master Hex bit socket set. So I picked this up because I needed something for the work truck. I have a couple bit socket sets here at the house, but I use them pretty often, so I don't want to take them out of the toolbox here at home. So this will be good because it's got really good coverage, but it still comes in a pretty small package, which is kind of what I look for the work truck, something reliable, something compact, and something useful. So I'm not throwing any excess weight or taking up any excess space. So for this set, you're going to have metric 2 through 19 millimeter and SAE 5/64 through 3/4. You can see it's a 32-piece set, S2 steel, CNC machined, heat treated, chrome vanadium. There you can see all of the sizes included. So in 1/4-inch drive, the sizes, so there's going to be 1/4-inch, 3/8, and 1/2-inch drive for both metric and SAE, just depending on the size of the bit socket. So the case is actually pretty nice. Little blow molded case. The tabs, you can see on the front, it says metric and SAE, and they are just sliding tabs. So you just slide both of those out. Now I will say, it does have this foam liner up top, but like when I got it, some of them were messed up or in a different spot. I mean, of course, now it's not going to do it. Holds them decently, but they're not like clipped in or anything like that. They're just free floating in here. So the bottom is going to be all of your SAE, starting with the smallest and 1/4-inch drive on the right, moving to the largest 3/4-inch, 1/2-inch drive on the left. Metric is going to be up top, 1/4-inch drive, all the way up to that 19 millimeter 1/2-inch drive over here on the right. So I'm just going to show you a few of them, real quick video. I'll use these in the work truck for a few months, and then we'll come back and see how they're holding up. But I think it's a really good set for the price, especially when you catch it on sale. The chrome actually seems really clean as well. There you can see Lexivon, chrome vanadium, 9 millimeter, and then on each one of the bits, it has a size marking as well. So some of them differ. Some of them are towards the bottom, so like it's on the bit portion that's inside of the socket. So like all of these, I'm pretty sure are stamped, but they're stamped below. But I mean, you still got decent size markings, nothing fantastic. I wish more companies would do a large stamp just to make it really visible. But I mean, we've been arguing that for years. But I just really like the coverage here. You get 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 5.5, 6, and then it goes to 3/8 where you got 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12. It does skip 11, and then you move into 1/2-inch drive where you got 14, 15, 17, and 19. For 1/4-inch drive in the SAE, you have 5/64 through 1/4-inch. And then moving to 3/8, you have 9/32 through 1/2-inch. And then moving into 1/2-inch drive, you have 9/16 through 3/4. Like the 10, you can see it's, you know, halfway up the bit, and it says S2. But then you look at the 9, and the S2 is actually, you can start to see it under there. Not a big deal. And it's in the case. I probably most likely won't take it out of the case unless I find a good rail that it works well on. But in the truck, I think best case scenario is going to be using this case. But here's just a quick look at the set. Really clean. The chrome seems nice. Chamfered edges, radiused corners. So it's not too often that I'll be using the large ones, but a lot of the 1/4-inch and 3/8 drive bit sockets I'll be using quite a bit. And I like to have both metric and SAE because even though I primarily work with metric, having the SAE sizes that are slightly larger or slightly smaller can sometimes be extremely helpful with hex. Same thing with Torx. Can be really helpful when it comes to hex fasteners. So normally I want to say full price on this is like $50, but a lot of the times you can catch it around $44, $45, and then sometimes around the holidays, I believe it's in the 30s, which I think it's a smoking deal at that price. Good quality stuff, really good variety, really good coverage, and it comes in a pretty nice little case. So as long as everything doesn't get shaken up in my truck too bad and become a disaster, I think I'll enjoy this set. But that's a look at the Lexivon 32-piece master hex bit socket set. Let me know your guys' thoughts, or if you guys have picked up anything from Lexivon, but I will have this link down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested. But stay tuned. In a few months I'll release an updated video on them. We'll see how they do against weather, because I do work outside 5 days out of the week, so they will see weather. We'll see how they hold up as far as rust and corrosion and all of that, and just see if I've broken any of them. But other than that, it's down in the description for you guys. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up, and if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.